where your glasses do more than just correct your vision, they expand it. Where simple blinks can create memories, translate a language, guide you throughout your day. Welcome to the age of smart glasses, where reality meets intelligence.
I, Siddhi Sahu, vision of the team, always looking ahead to what technology can bring next.
And Avika, making sure innovation not only works but also looks good.
I, Bhavni Singh Pariyar.
I, Devanshin Kushwaha.
The researchers, the one who digs deep to find out how the smart glasses can truly change his lives.
We are innovators. Today we'll show how smart glasses are turning vision into innovation. In the world driven by innovation, technology continuously breaks barriers and creates opportunities for inclusion. Innovators proudly present smart glasses for the visually impaired people and advanced assistive innovation.
These smart glasses aim to bridge the gap between ability and accessibility by using cut-edge methods such as voice assistance, navigation, and etc.
Stakeholders. Old age blindness, congenital blindness and color blindness are the most common. Old age blindness is caused due to age-related conditions like cataracts and glaucoma. Congenital blindness is from the birth. This is caused due to development defects and genetical disorders. Color blindness is caused due to the diseases that affects eyes and optic nerve. Our motive. The motive of smart glasses is to enhance independence, safety, mental health, and to provide them and to improve the lives of visually impaired people by providing them real-time assistance through technology. Technical specification: Raspberry Pi 14 4G processor, camera, PI camera, sensor, ultrasonic sensor, software Python, power supply rechargeable, and audio outputs, buzzer alerts, and earphones.
Here is a block diagram of our model which includes the central processor, audio output, buzzer, power supply, PI camera and ultrasonic sensor. Here is one of the prototype of our model. Ultrasonic sensor. An ultrasonic sensor is an electric device which is used to measure the distance between the sensor and the object. It is mainly used in IoT.
Machine learning algorithm. Machine learning algorithm is used to recognize and classify objects. We have used this in our smart glasses so blind people can detect objects like humans, vehicles, obstacles, and direction.
Role of machine learning in smart glasses. It tracks the objects which are around a blind person, left, right or front. YOLO V8 is one of the advanced object detection model used in this project. Buzzer. A buzzer is an audio signifying device which is used to convert the electric signals into audio sound.
Thank you.